Alright guys, good morning. Here's the start of our vlog. We're in 7-Eleven and I just wanna try this. Yan. So, ang kinuha ko po ay keep in soy sauce and tuna mayonnaise. Keep in soy sauce. So, we'll just try. Have different cheese flavor. Pero, yun, try natin. Nag-egg sandwich kami kahapon. So, I'll try yan. Magpo-food trip. May isang vlog tayo na magpo-food trip tayo ng food ng Minimart and Family Mart and 7-Eleven. But for now, ito muna. Kasi pupunta tayo ngayon sa famous crossing sa Shibuya. And then, pupunta doon tayo sa isang shrine. Siguro, magkaroon na lang ng saan tayo kumakain. Okay? So, as of now, I'll end my vlog. Punta ako sa train station. Grabe. Looks so yummy. Alright. Ito na tayo sa Shibuya. Let's go look for the shrine. The coffee. Everformance coffee.
ご乗車ありがとうございます。電車のホームの間は足早にご注意ください。
Kaamot na lang tayo. Basta baba tayo sa lane. We're on the right track. We're on the right track. Mababa tayo. This is how easy. Money. Yeah, exit. Oh, there's the exit. Oh my god, we need the katakin. No. Bakit yan?
Every galaw mo na tinawanan ko sarili. Tinawanan sarili ko.
Oh! Meron yan. Ito na yung shrine, sis. This is the shrine. Ay, dapat. Famous crossing. Asan si... Ayo, see? There you go. There you go. Si famous dog. Ngayon, nasa si crossing. There! It's the famous crossing. Mag-cross tayo. There you go. Famous dog. Bucket list. Ang dami ng tao. Sabi.
忙しい時期が北グルメで行われています。2006年に カナダの元国会議員と著名な人権弁護士の詳細な調査によってその実態が明らかにされて以来、世界各国の議会やメディアが非難を続けています。2013年12月に欧州議会でファールンゴンに対する迫害と臓器狩りの即時停止を中国共産党政府に求める決議案が可決され、2016年6月にはアメリカ下院でも同様の決議案が満場一致で可決されました。さらには
Crossing na tayo. This is the famous Kuya crossing. Yes. So, mamaya ulit. Doon naman tayo sa susunod. Mamaya. So, dapat gumanon na tayo para gumanon ulit na mamaya.
Oo nga. Ay, di ba 1, 2, 3, 4? Nasa gitna.
Dito muna tayo. Last ka gano'n.
Malumted South.
What?
Crossing! Magkapit tayo para makita natin.
Mamaya. Gawin natin yan. Wait po tayo. Dito ko na kami. Dami-dami na po. So, grocery po tayo. And then, kunin natin yung top view. Is it a Starbucks?
Yes.
Do you want that or do that?
Starbucks. No, I'm not taking videos.
We'll go to Starbucks and drink some because I haven't drink my tea. Bye! Let's go.
Go the shortcut.
Oh, then we can do it like that.
Diba?
Okay, we wait here.
Yeah.
We go there. Right? Here. And then we go there. And then we go here. Okay. Oh, we step here because it's hot. Right. So, mamaya doon tayo sa top view. Punta tayo ng Starbucks. Tingnan natin yung view sa taas. Paano sila maglakad. Let's go. Ano mo sana? Ito yung pinagigibin mo ngayon ng malagyan. So, parang sila yung group band. Sikat na parang sa K-pop. Ganun. Sila ngayon. Daming mga nagpapapictures. Dahil nagpapapictures. Ang dami nagpipicture sa kanila sa loob. I think itong music store na to is dedicated lang ata sa kanila. Puro naman sila ang nandun at ang daming tao doon sa loob. So sana pumunta kaya lang makapigla silang mano dahil nag-GoPro. Hello guys, nandito pa rin kami sa famous crossing. Pero ito yung na-amaze ako. Ito yung pakita ko. Akala ko Japanese. Kasi mga Japanese names. Kaya yung mga boy bands na nagan sa mga art band. Akala ko Pilipinas lang mayroon ng ganito. Pero tignan nyo naman, pila-pila sila. Pakita ko. Ayan. So, nakapila sila para mag-picture billboard ng boy band. Magano sila. They're waiting for their turn para mag-picture. Oh. So, yun ang happening. Which is talagang ang ganda naman. So, next stop is the Takashi. Ano yung next stop natin? Takashimu? Takashimu. Ha? Market? Yes. Tsushigi Market. Tsushigi Market? Tsukiji Outer Market. So 35 minutes siya. So by train kukunin natin yung Yamamoto Lane. So 35 minutes. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the train station. Going up, Shibuya Station, Live, Gitubisi. Exit Hachiko via Hachiko exit. Okay, let's go to Yamamoto Line. Usually there. Every entry, kailangan mo nito. Every exit, kailangan ko. Yun. I know. Where's the entry? Oh, this one. Oh, let's go. No. Yeah. Let's go to what lane? Saan? That one. Hindi kailangan natin ng iba na card. Same thing?
Oo. Isang card lang. Pero sige, ito na.
Yan na, nandito na tayo sa station eh. Sa taas. Let's go up. Lalabas tayo dyan. Up.
So, go 3 minutes, 1
For Kimigawa, so Tokyo. 2? Okay, 2. There. The airline.
駅係員のご案内を実施しております。ご案内を希望されるお客様は、
Down pala to. Yes, where? Wait for tayo sa ating train. 1 minute. Okay.
品川東京の行きの到着です。
Doon tayo sa boarding position kung 2 or 5.
Where are we going to? Dito? Okay, great station. See you later. Right. Right now in Issue. Let's go to other line. Yamamoto line to. Let's go to other line.
Balik ko kayo si Kuya kasi
Ha?
Westgate.
Westgate?
Ito kasi, pabalik kayo, ano?
Oo, ayan.
So dito. So from there, pag bumalik tayo ng Shinjuku,
Tama yan. Kita mo. 3 minutes, sabi niya, di ba? Makuha tayo. What's your step? Ah, told you, said what's your step? Pray ko. Sabi yan. Yeah? Kita ko. Ito ko na.
follow signs for Westgate.
Oh, Westgate. West, exit. Is it correct? Ito na tayo. Westgate. Ibiyan na. Box naman. West. West. Dito. Two. Stop, Junior!
Realize!
It's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. So, follow the line. Madali na naman siyang i-follow kasi may English translation naman siya. Straight. Dapat. Hindi ko kami mahilig. Hindi ko mahilig sa escalator. Sa stairs kami. Hirap-hirapan naman ang sarili namin. Ang haba-haba pa ng mga lalakarin namin. Sige. Dahil last Japan tayo at karamihan naglalakad. Maglakad tayo. See? H2. 802 there. Baba na po tayo. Here. Huh? There. Thank you. Arigatou. Nawala ka na. Oh. No, here. We're going the other way, each one. Nawala ka dito. Lost in Japan. Oh. No? Oh, this is one. There is two. It's the same thing. Excuse me, can we ask? Is this way? Oh yeah. So sorry. Could we ask? We're going to
Tsukiji?
Tsukiji. Is this Hibiki? Yeah. Yeah.
The market?
The market. So which train station? Here?
No.
This one?
I've never been there, but I think we didn't find it. Tsukiji,
Oh. Two line. So
This one line.
yes. I'll go upstairs
Seba.
and get upstairs. All right. Thank you so much. Arigato. Bye. Thank you. You too. Wow. That's good. Dito, Joe. Doon daw sa kanila. Sige lang. Kita ko. Oh, here, the other line. So, see at only this is it. Kita. That's the one? This one.
Please wait behind the yellow warning marks.
どうぞお急ぎいたします。こちらからお待ちください。
Kita kayo tutubo lang. Kita, pasok kami. But this is all. No?
hair loss.